Are you feeling unfulfilled, stressed, and unhappy with your life? Do you wish you had the courage to follow your heart and create the life you have always dreamed of? Hi, I'm Chats, and I want to share with you my journey and how I discovered the power of manifestation to transform my life. Introducing Zoomies to Bliss, the step-by-step guide to manifest your desired life. At the end of 2020, I was faced by a difficult decision. The border between Malaysia and Singapore closed due to the pandemic, and I couldn't travel to work. I couldn't move to Singapore because I couldn't leave my beloved dogs behind, so I chose to quit my job. Then, one of my dogs was diagnosed with cancer, and I decided not to go back to work to be with her. Many people found it strange that I chose my dogs over money, but I know that I could always make more money, but I could never get back the time and experiences with my loved ones. This knowingness is the result of me studying and applying what I learned about spirituality and manifestation for years, where I learned that I could create the life I desired while staying true to my values. Now, a lot of people believe that they don't have a choice, but the truth is, we always have more than one choice. However, it's the fear of the unknown make us believe we don't have any other choices. I want to help you let go of that fear. In my course, Zoomies to Bliss, you learn the fundamental laws of the universe and how to harness your power to manifest your dreams. This 2-hour video course includes lessons on understanding the universe, knowing yourself, and overcoming common challenges in manifestation. Although this is a new course, I'm confident that the knowledge and techniques I've gathered from renowned teachers like Abraham Hicks, Bashar, Neville Goddard, and Dr. Dyer will help you transform your life and find true happiness. For a one-time payment of just $37, you'll gain access to the entire course, a manifestation journal in Notion and PDF format, a private Facebook community for support, and a bonus Abraham Hicks Rampage meditation. Are you ready to take control of your life and manifest your dreams? Join me on this journey and enroll in Zoomies to Bliss today. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you inside the course.